Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm exploring a couple of cute towns in Maine. We will be going to Kennebunkport in Wells and I will be taking you guys along with me. So let's get going. We made it to Kennebunkport. Let's explore this cute little town. Here in town, they have a lot of gift shops, stores, restaurants, and it's just really nice to walk around and explore. The restaurant across the street here was highly recommended by the locals, so I will be going there for dinner later tonight. So this was one of the main roads that run through the town and crosses over the Kennebunk River. Everything is very walkable and there are several hotels within close distance of the town here. While you visit Kennebunk, Allison's is a great restaurant option, so let's go. While you visit Kennebunk, you gotta come to Allison's and try their lobster pizza. Look at this, it's a yum. Mamma mia! Today we are in Wells, Maine, and we are here at the Maine Diner and we're gonna have breakfast. So let's go. They have the famous blueberry pancakes. I'm excited. Guys, check it out the menu. Everything looks so delicious here, but I will order the combo, which comes with eggs, bacon, sausage, and of course, the blueberry pancakes. Today, we are having breakfast at the Maine Diner. I'm not gonna lie, I have been eating blueberry pancakes almost every day during my trip, because why not? Now let's drive around to the other side of town. It was recommended that we visit St. Anne's Church, which was built in 1887 and has a beautiful rock architecture. So let's go inside and check it out. Everything about the church is amazing, from the stones of the structure to the beautiful stained glass windows. What a gorgeous view of the ocean too. It's so peaceful here, so make sure you stop by while you visit Kennebunk. Our next stop is Parsons Way, which is a scenic walk along the coast tower to Walker's Point.
That's the bush house.
Our next stop was at the Pier Road, and look at this view from here. After exploring around town, now we are getting hungry, so it's almost time for lunch, and I want some pizza. Yum, looks so delicious, it smells amazing.
My new favorite, blueberry beer. Cheers. And here we are.
I had such a great time in Wells and Kennebunkport, and I can't wait to be back.
And here we are at the Kennebunk Beach.
I hope you enjoyed this video, so please give a thumbs up and subscribe so you can stay connected. See you in my next video.